Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Rachna Prathmik lesson 6 continuation of case ending. We saw the explanation of case ending in the previous video. This is part B video. We will see the exercises of case ending in this video. We'll go to the exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable case endings. So we have to fill up the blanks. First question, हम आंख को डैश देखते हैं. हम means we, आंखों means eyes, देखना means to see. So the sentence is saying we see with our eyes. So what is the case ending we can add in this blank? We see with our eyes. So for with, what do we say in Hindi? As we saw in the previous video, with means say in Hindi. So here we have to use the case ending say in this question. First question, हम आंखों से देखते हैं. We see with our eyes. हम आंखों से देखते हैं. We see with our eyes. The answer for the first question is say. Now second question. बंदर डैश केला बहुत पसंद है. बंदर means monkey. केला means banana. बहुत पसंद like very much. So the sentence is monkeys like banana very much. So what is the case ending we are going to use here? We have to check. We have to use here ko. Ko means two. Ko means two. Ko is the case ending we have to use here. And the meaning of ko is two. So the banana to the monkey, it comes like that. So monkey likes banana very much. To monkey, the banana is favorite. So in that way also we can interpret. So the answer for the second question is को. बंदर को केला बहुत पसंद है. Monkey, to the monkey, banana is the favorite fruit. So we have to use here को. बंदर को केला बहुत पसंद है. The case ending for this sentence is को. So the answer for second question is को. Now we go to the third question. ये रुपये पंडित जी डैश है. This money belongs to Pandit ji. This is Pandit ji money. So whenever we say Ram's money, Lakshman money, Pandit ji money, so yes is coming. So for that we should use the case ending ka, ke, ki as per the gender. So Pandit ji is treated with respect. So K will come here. K is the case ending for this sentence. ये रुपये पंडित जी के हैं. this money belongs to Panditji, or this money, this is Panditji money. ये रुपये पंडित जी के हैं. The answer for the third question is K. Next question is fourth one. तुम कहाँ dash आ रहे हो? तुम means you. कहाँ means where. आ रहे हो coming. So from where are you coming? From where are you coming? That is the meaning of the sentence. So from, what do we say in Hindi? So whenever by, with, from, than comes, then we have to use say. We saw the definition of case ending yesterday. You can see the previous video. So when we use from in Hindi, then we have to use say. So we have to complete this blank with say. तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? From where are you coming? तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? From where are you coming? The case ending for fourth question is say. Fifth question. Nazir 2 दिनों dash बीमार है. Nazir is a name of the person. 2 दिनों means 2 days. बीमार है is ill, is unwell. That is the meaning. Nazir is ill from 2 days. Nazir is ill from 2 days. So again from is coming. So whenever from comes, we have to use here say. Say is the case ending for the fifth question. Nazir 2 दिनों से बीमार है. That is the answer. Nazir 2 दिनों से बीमार है. Nazir is ill from 2 days. Nazir is unwell from 2 days, for past 2 days. So the answer for the fifth one is say. Case ending for the fifth one is say. Now sixth question. अध्यापक गोपाल से अध्यापक गोपाल डैश बहुत प्यार करते हैं. अध्यापक means teacher. Gopal is the student. So what is the case ending here? अध्यापक गोपाल से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. So what is the meaning of the sentence? The teacher likes Gopal very much. So the case ending for the sixth one is say. अध्यापक गोपाल से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. Teacher likes Gopal very much. Or Gopal is liked by teacher very much. So whenever we use this by, we will use this say. Say is used whenever by, with, from, than comes. We saw the definition yesterday. So the student Gopal is liked by the teacher very much. So whenever you use this by, this case ending say will come. So the case ending for the sixth question is say. अध्यापक गोपाल से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. Seventh question. यह घर लता डैश है. यह घर लता डैश है. The sentence is, this is Lata's house, Geeta's house, Ram's house, Lakshman's house. So when of or s comes, then we have to use ka, ke, ki as per the gender. So यह घर लता का है. The case ending For this seventh question is ka. Here gar is masculine, so here ka will come. Here gar lata ka hai, masculine and singular, so ka will come here. The case ending for the seventh question is ka. Yeh ghar Lata ka hai. It is Lata's house. Eighth question. Gadi दीवार dash है. यह गड़ी दीवार dash है. Dash है. Gadi means watch. Divar means wall. Dash hai means is. So the clock is on the wall. So on is coming. Whenever on comes, the case ending would be par. Used will be par. The Hindi word case ending would be par. So gadi दीवार पर है. The clock is on the wall. So for the eighth question, the case ending is par. Ninth question. Kalam dash yahi nahi hai. So kalam means pen, yahi means ink, nahi hai not there. So the ink is not there in the pen. In the pen. So in is coming. The case ending here we have to use is in and we say may in Hindi for in. So kalam में स्याही नहीं है. There is no ink in the pen. There is no ink in the pen. Kalam में स्याही नहीं है. स्याही means ink. Kalam means pen. So may means in. In. That is the case ending for the ninth question. So for the ninth question, may is the case ending. कलम में स्याही नहीं है. So hope you have understood this exercise. We have one more part B for the same lesson 6. We will see that in the next video. Hope you all understood this. Thank you.